For the correct face recognition functioning, it's necessary to set the optimal conditions for the camera. Camera should be connected to broadcasting device through USB. Video resolution should be 720p and higher. Frame rate should not be lower than 25 frames per second. Disabled autofocus. Camera should be installed at the face level or 1.5 meters height near the display or built in. The face detection and recognition is correct if the camera tilt angle is not higher than 30 degrees. Click on the Menu button in the upper left corner for camera settings. Open the Devices section and enable the Addreality face. Then open the General section, enable content and camera statistics sending that is the main setting for getting views conversion. If you want to get viewers' images, you need to put up a notice informing people about the camera recording. If you have an interactive project, enable interaction statistics sending. You can visualize data in the Addreality Manager. Therefore, open the Stats section and select the Timeline report, including the show and view ID, time and date, the device name, viewer image, age and gender, additional attributes, and interaction duration in seconds.